Twitch is the go-to place for live streamers of all sort, from gamers to political analysis to lifestyle gurus and everything in between. Knowing how your channel is performing is important for any up-and-coming streamer, which means checking your follower list is essential. Here's how to view your followers on Twitch. If you're just looking to view the exact number of followers you have, you can find this number right on the Twitch app on your phone. Tap on the icon in the top left corner of the app to open your profile, and your follower count will be displayed directly under your icon. To view the full list of your actual followers, you'll either need to use the desktop site on a full computer or use your mobile browser and switch to viewing the desktop version. Once you're looking at the desktop version of Twitch, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Creator Dashboard. Click on the Community tab from your dashboard, located to the far left, then select Followers List. You'll be presented with a list of users who are currently following you, which you can use to scroll through and preview. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Twitch and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.